This remote stronghold is likely the safest place on the surface. It is located in a dangerous spot between a large boulder and a cliff. Although decorated in a Syrian war damage style, its insulation against cold is extremely effective. I assure you that you won't vanish suddenly after waking up. Because Luca didn't have money to go home for New Year's due to his boss withholding his pay, he became a wilderness explorer. While walking long distances, he discovered the perfect shelter. The natural formation includes a one-bedroom, one-living-room shelter, which feels like a gift from above. Thus, he quickly adapted, starting to dig into the rock cracks. While working, he formed a loft structure. Considering there were few building materials, Luca used natural stones for construction. You can see him skillfully stacking stones, combining large stones with smaller rubble. To make the walls airtight, he filled gaps with a layer of concrete. He checked every 5 centimeters diligently, leaving a central space in the wall for ventilation, considering the harsh weather. The next day, the entire village had a celebration. Luca quickly built the necessary walls. Then he went to an icy lake surface for a performance art piece. The trio from Iceland broke through the ice, creating a natural water source. This method also allowed for playing with mud. He collected water in a steel bowl, added it to a pit of dirt, and mixed it to create a type of wilderness cement. Although the result looked rough, the resulting bond was strong. Making ventilation holes was extremely simple. He finished placing 10 pieces of concrete for better insulation. I would rate this setup 99 out of 100. To protect against strong winds, he filled the wall cracks with clay. After finishing these tasks, Luca quickly started the stove. This action also produced the expected results. Now all that remained was to install the main door. He collected small sticks from the woods and measured the door size with them before making the frame. To make the door strong, Luca reinforced it with steel wire and placed a durable waterproof cloth over it. Thus, a door that is basic but protective against wind and rain was completed. Moisture prevention measures were also important. Luca put dry straw on the floor and covered it with a wool blanket his girlfriend gave him, ensuring a dry environment. As evening approached, Luca prepared dinner inside the cozy shelter. He ate only a grilled sausage because he did not receive his salary. He lay down and thought about the difficult problem of getting his wages back, hoping that everything would go well for Luca and his family in the year of the snake.